Hey WooCommerce lover, let's make your WooCommerce store get rich like Amazon and eBay. As we know, they allow vendors to sell stuff on their sites. Well, why not do the same, or even better by leveraging Dokan? You can even offer multi-currency for your marketplace with having Dokans work with YayCurrency on your site. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about right now. Dokans is a multi-vendor system that's going to allow vendors to come to your site, register, upload their products, and start selling away. YayCurrency is a tool that's allowed to add and manage multiple currency from the backend. It will then automatically detect based on the client's IP address to display the currency corresponding to their country. As we all know how to set up both Dokan and YayCurrency, but still don't know how to make them work together to unleash your e-commerce potential. Wow, look at my WordPress site. We have already set up some vendor with Dokan. You can read more about how to manage Dokan in other tutorials. Now, let's see. On our products page, each product will be displayed with vendor information, and this information will also be displayed on the checkout page, the processing order, or the order confirmation email. Next, activate YayCurrency and add the currency you want. With the Pro version, you can add as much currency as you want. Once fully set up with YayCurrency, it's time to see how your marketplace works. Okay, so move to the front end of your WooCommerce store, and then we have a store list here. Click on this vendor. Let's click to the shop page of this vendor. We can see here is some products of the mega vendor. Click to access more detail of a product. Yay, we have the iPhone 12 product on this page. We can see detail of this product, including description, price, vendor info, and currency switcher button. Not only that, with the support of YayCurrency, when each vendor sends a confirmation email to the customer, they can see their order summary in the currency they have chosen to proceed with checkout. You can see this checkout page or email. This is very useful for customers and vendors who are in different countries. Then, let's check more specifically how YayCurrency works with Dokan. Back to the vendor dashboard of Dokan. Here we can see the order history will be displayed in the currency used at checkout. But in the order like product tab, it still shows price paid on the store default currency. And in report tab, vendors can choose the currency on the drop-down list to check. Thus, its vendor owners can easily manage their revenue. Back to the admin dashboard. Dokan also offers reports of revenue and commission in the store-based currency, as we can see here. So, that's a pretty cool interaction that you can leverage in and really focus on it and get vendors to tune in and start selling products to the global market. YayCurrency and Dokan can make a big hit for your business.